In today's video, I'm going to teach you Booking.com affiliate program, how to earn money with Booking affiliate marketing. If you have an audience through a blog, a newsletter, a social account, or a travel-focused website, the Booking.com affiliate program can help you turn that audience into revenue by recommending real places to stay and travel services your followers are already looking for. First, head to the official Booking.com website. It's best to do this on a desktop so you can easily see all the navigation options. Make sure you're on the genuine site and in your preferred language and currency, since that's how most of your visitors will experience it too. Take a moment to scroll through the homepage so you're familiar with what your audience will eventually see when they click your affiliate links. Hotels, apartments, flights, and car rentals are all part of the ecosystem, which gives you lots of content angles later on. Next, look for the Become an Affiliate link. You'll usually find it in the footer area at the bottom of the homepage under partner or business related links. Clicking it will open the official affiliate a partner program page. This page explains how the program works, the tools you can use, and the types of content you can monetize. Expect to see mentions of customizable links, banners, search boxes, and other widgets that can blend into your website or content. This is helpful context because you'll want to match the tool to your audience. A simple text link for editorial content, a search box for travel planning pages, or a banner for deal roundups. From there, click register. This takes you to the sign-up flow for the affiliate portal. You'll see fields where Booking.com asks for basic information about your business or project, such as your website and how you plan to promote travel content. That's normal for affiliate programs. It helps them understand your audience and ensure brand-safe promotion. Before you proceed, review their terms, brand guidelines, and policies around disclosure and advertising standards in your country. Strong, transparent disclosure builds trust with your audience and protects your account. A few tips as you get started. Focus on relevance and timing. Create content that solves a real problem, like where to stay in a specific neighborhood, how to compare properties with free cancellation, or how to find last-minute deals. Use clear calls to action so readers know where to click. And once you're inside the affiliate portal, keep an eye on performance reports. You'll learn which pages, destinations, and link placements convert best for your audience. That's it. Go to Booking.com, click Become an Affiliate, and click Register. Follow the program guidelines, share genuinely useful travel content, and let the tools do the work.